My name is Wing Har. I live here with my family, my wife, my 3 kids. Used to be former military and now currently in law enforcement. Proud customer of SUNation, and behind me is the panels. Also got a EV charger from you guys as well. Looking in the long run to save and help out the environment, save money, and also to generate power, which I can use for my electric car now. First of all, Matt, thank you. It's very straightforward, honest. Told him what I wanted. He gave me these different options and basically point me in the right direction. The installer was wonderful. They came here, set up, guided me through the process. Within a couple of hours, what you see in the back, it was installed and up and running. After they were finished installing, they did a sweep of the whole area, making sure there's no debris or any nails left behind, and everything was taken care of. I would definitely recommend SUNation to all of my friends. I brag about you guys all the time. You guys are on my Instagram page. I send it to all my colleagues as well. I bring in my bills and look, it's $13 to stay on the grid.